How to fix can't like videos on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now in your TikTok, if you navigate to someone's profile and keep on liking their video, and if you have liked their video too many times, or if you have liked too many videos at a time, the TikTok will take it as an unnatural activity and will think you as any kind of bot. So TikTok will block your ID for 2 to 3 hours. And in that case, you have to wait for 2 to 3 hours. And after that, you will be able to like the videos on TikTok. And if that's not the case, TikTok will also block your account for another 24 hours. So in that case, you will also have to wait for another 24 hours so that you can get back to TikTok and like the videos. Now, if you don't want to wait for 24 hours, then what you can do is you can close the TikTok. After that, uninstall the TikTok application from your device by tapping and holding on TikTok application. From there, navigate to app info and then tap on uninstall. After you uninstall the application, install it from Google Play Store, log back into your account, then your problem will be fixed. So that's the way to fix the problem regarding can't like videos on TikTok, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.